how to turn on videos from Facebook friends notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on videos from Facebook friends notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Now click this three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. And now just here you will find this one. All you need to do is just click on it to turn it on, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.